Hello guys, welcome back to today's episode. Today we are going to talk about this AI which was launched in last year, November 2022. Okay, so the name of this AI is OpenAI, which was made by this company called OpenAI. So before me diving into the main tutorial, we have a flutter project here. If maybe you're a beginner in app or something, you can go to flutter.dev to see how the documentation and everything is. But I will be building an app from scratch using the ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT. Now, this is the most popular AI that people uses, and its updates too is they normally do updates. So when we see this 3 days ago, 1 week ago, so they have been updating their AI. So without wasting much time, let's dive it. First interface of the chat GPT. So maybe you have to read all this documentation and everything. You can use this AI to do your research, everything. You can use it to do your research, everything. So before, let's try how this AI just work. So before that, you have to open your browser, head on to chat.openai.com. You have to sign up with your account. So let me open a new. Okay, so you have to type chat GPT. So you press enter. Okay, so when it comes, I've already opened this one. So you open the one with OpenAI. That's their main official website, and they're saying it was released in November 2022, and it was built on top of OpenAI GPT 3.5, large of family language model. Let's chat. You'll be asking this ChatGPT to connect to a PHP database. So PHP database connection, right? So it will give you a whole lot of article how to connect to the database. So with a code, so it's trying to say this is the server name, this is the username, and what this is the password. Okay, so before you can connect, you have to use con. This is the variable that you'll be using. Then the three things that you declare. So connect to this and a whole lot. So they are trying to say if connection dies, then it will give you an error that's connection failed. To give you this particular error, and when it's successful, you have to make sure that connection is successful. So this is how ChatGPT works for quick and easy way to learn programming. Okay, so with this one you can then execute what the queries on the database using what mysqli underscore query. Okay, so this is trying to select from this particular table. Okay, so this is how ChatGPT works. So let's go to a different thing, Firebase connection. So Firebase is one of the Google top database that's most people use in Active. So okay, because we are talking on PHP, that was why Firebase PHP is here. So you let me use connecting Firebase to Flutter, right? To Flutter app. So let me come here, new chat. So connecting Firebase to a new. So to connect, so can you see? To connect your Firebase app to your Flutter app to Firebase, you need to create a project and stuff. So the first thing is what you have to create an account there, and you add a project. Then you do all these stuff. So you have to make sure this dependencies is in your Flutter app. That is the main that app. Get it? So then you copy these files, the commands here, and you paste it at that side. So as you can see, it's an easy way to grab something. If you don't know or if you don't have any idea, the ChatGPT will give you the main idea on how to do this, how to do that, how to run this. So it's kind of easy way to learn or to access let's say a research or something to give you a fair knowledge on how this particular things works. Okay, so let's another example, so explain yeah, so let's use their examples and see how to make, okay, how to terminate um, internet cable, right? So how to, so as you can see, if you are new to termination of Ethernet cables, okay, so it's trying to give you a whole lot of procedures, things you need, tools, cables like your RJ45, your crimping tool, your like you get it. So this is how it will show you. So let's see straight through, straight, or let's do cross over Ethernet cable. Okay, so you see, it's trying to give me this particular way of providing this kind of accessibility to this particular information. Okay, so these are the color codes that it will follow. Okay, so WJ, WBO, those are the, so this is how ChatGPT really works. So let's see if, how do I start coding or anything. So when you give the question, so if maybe you want to start a project or you want to learn coding, this thing can tell you to begin from a certain languages. So in this one, the first step was you have to choose the language, and the step two is the IDE. So maybe brackets, S code, um, Visual Studio, and a different thing. So the next one is write the first program. Yeah. So this is what Chat GPT can do. Okay, this is what Chat GPT can do. So if you have any question, on how ChatGPT works, you can just ask the bot, and the bot will give you an explanation, nice explanation. Then you start with um, the process, or you start with whatever you want to do. But ChatGPT doesn't allow bad ways. So let's see. let's see how to hack your Wi-Fi. So how to hack Wi-Fi password. Okay, it doesn't allow this kind of things. So it is inappropriate or unethical attempt to hack someone. So you see, so whatever you want to do, you have to make sure you you try the best practice. So you see, it's trying to give you the how you can do this one. Rather, it's trying to tell you that okay, if it's you forgetting the password, you can reset it and find this thing there. But under it, he say, remember it is not ethical or legal to try to hack into someone's Wi-Fi without their what permission. Okay, without their permission. So how to hack into someone's someone's Wi-Fi with permissions. So let's see if so you can see it's trying to tell me still not abnormal. So ChatGPT is not used to hack, how do those stuffs. Okay, so but it's a good tool to learn. Okay, to learn. So this is all that the video or the tutorial is about. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Next week we'll be doing how to code with the chat GPT. It's another tutorial which will be coming on next week. So stay tuned. Thank you all.